Ordoro offers the option to copy or clone an order in your account. This option may be used if you sent an order already, but you need to ship it out again for some reason. It could have been lost or stolen or damaged in transit to the customer, or anything like that. Another reason may be because you have a common order that you send out, and instead of re-entering the order information, you can just clone the last one you sent to just copy all that over. This tutorial will demonstrate how to clone an order. So to get started, we'll go to the order section and find an order that we want to clone. We'll select the checkbox next to the order, and from order actions, we will select clone order. What this does is it pulls all of the order information from the order that we've selected to clone and pops it in here. So from here, if this is what we want, we don't want to make any modifications, we can leave it as is, or we can make some modifications to customize it to this new order. Once we are finished with that, we'll basically just hit create order, and this is going to create the order that's a clone of it. It'll show up in the awaiting fulfillment filter, and we'll be able to create a label for it or do anything like we would be able to do for a normal order. So here it is. It pops up. We can see which order it was cloned from. So if we ever need any history to see, where it came from, we can see what orders it's related to. And then we can go ahead and create a label for it or take any actions on it like we would a normal order. And that's all you got to do. So just to recap, you go to orders, you select a checkbox next to an order, go to order actions and hit clone order, and then create order when you are finished. If you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you out. Otherwise, thanks for watching.